Hi, and welcome to today's word of the day. The word of the day today is them or they. In Spanish, we're going to learn how to say this. So join me. Okay, so today's word of the day is them or they. And how do you say this in Spanish? Ellos. Ellos. The word ellos is them or they. And in some countries, like where I was born in Argentina, we say ellos, ellos. And in some other countries, they say ellos, ellos. So the most common forms are ellos or ellos. In Mexico, they say ellos. In Argentina, we say ellos. But I'm going to go with ellos. So that's what we'll do in this video. And okay, so this is a gender dependent word. Okay. This is a pronoun. This is a pronoun. And when it's a group of female people, then we say ellas. Ellas is a female group. And when it's a male group of people, then we say ellos. Ellos. So ellos is a male group. It's just two or more people in a group. And when it's a female group, it's ellas. Okay, so, but if it's a mixed group, if it's male and female, then you say ellos. Ellos, which is them or they. Let's do some activities to help you remember it better and keep it in your head. So what does the word ellos mean in English? Yep, them or they. So how do you say the word them or they in Spanish? Practice the pronunciation. Say it out loud. Yes, ellos, ellos. And if you're going to be traveling to Argentina, then say ellos, ellos. They'll like that a lot. Ellos. It'll fit right in. Okay. So here are some sentences using the word. Yo voy con ellos. Yo voy con ellos. I go with them. Estas galletas son para ellos. Estas galletas son para ellos. These cookies are for them. Ellas van a la tienda. Ellas van a la tienda. They go to the store, referring to a group of a female group. Okay, oopsie. If you're interested in some Spanish language courses that are so comprehensive, they are really affordable and high quality and fun with lots of activities, and they also do some scientific methods of language learning, check them out at the description, in the links in the description box below. And I'll see you next time in the next word of the day. Thank you. Bye.